sunshine.
Let's talk about birds, friends. Birds are very interesting animals. There are many different types of birds. Some birds have rainbow-colored feathers while others are brown or white. They come in all kinds of cute shapes and sizes. To breed, birds make their own nests in trees or safe places. They lay the eggs in the nest and incubate them very well until the eggs hatch into tiny, adorable chicks. Birds are experts at adapting to their environment. Some can fly very high. Others can swim in water. And some can walk on the ground. They use this ability to find food. To find food, birds can eat seeds, insects, fish, or plants. They can also visit our gardens in search of food. When it's time to sleep, birds sleep in a safe place, such as in a nest or on a tree branch. They rest with their eyes closed and their bodies warm. Birds benefit us in different ways. They help maintain the balance of nature by spreading seeds and help us feel happy with their beautiful songs. So that's a bird. They are interesting animals with many colors, can fly high, search for food, and help keep our natural world in balance. They are great friends in our world. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you